Easily set up Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP tiering with BlueXP Workload Factory. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP offers a feature called data tiering, which automatically moves data between two storage tiers. The primary storage tier, composed of high-performance SSD storage, and the capacity pool tier, composed of scalable, low-cost elastic storage for infrequently accessed cold data. When data tiering is enabled, data written to a volume is considered as hot and is physically stored on the primary SSD storage tier. When data in the volume isn't accessed for a certain amount of time, it is marked as cold, and FSx for ONTAP automatically moves it to the capacity pool. When cold data is read or written to, it is considered hot again, and FSx for ONTAP moves it back to the primary SSD storage tier. Data tiering allows you to save on storage costs of infrequently accessed data and free high-performance SSD storage for frequently accessed data. Let's see an easy way to enable automatic data tiering with BlueXP Workload Factory. In the Workload Factory console, go to Storage Inventory. Choose your file system and click Manage. Go to the Volumes tab. Choose the volume on which you will enable data tiering. Click on the ellipsis, choose Advanced Actions and change tiering policy. Choose Balanced Auto. Set the minimum cooling days, the number of days after which data is marked as cold if it has not been read or written to. Click Apply. That's it, you're done. Easily set up Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP tiering with BlueXP Workload Factory.